All right, guys, so now we're going to take a look at our critical thinking from our initial question, and we're also going to be talking about our steps. So these are things that you can do both before the tutorial and also during the tutorial. So if we look at our math question that we're using as our sample, you would want to go ahead and start to work out this problem on here. What you guys want to think about is this is kind of like you're showing your work in math, or you're doing your diagrams in ELA, or you're working out things in history. So for example, with our math problem, I've started to write down some of my steps and some of my math work as I went through. And next to each thing that I completed, I wrote down what the step was. So at first, I took our math question, and it says that Julie started with 20 pieces and gave away X amount of pieces until she had the same pieces left as Conrad. Conrad started out with 35 pieces, and he gave away 2 times as many as Julie did, and they both had equal amounts left at the end. So my first part would be to write the equation. So I've gone in and I've typed out what that step was. Next, I've set up my equation. I've started to do my math. So I'd write out my direction again. I would do some more of my math, and then I write out my next step until I get down to the very end. So that process of showing the work or creating the diagrams, or that typing out, that taking of that notes for your particular question, that counts as your critical thinking and is worth 6 points. Writing out the steps as you guys go through the process of solving your tutorial question, those are also worth 6 points.